So while I was researching for this video, I observed something which I really want to share here. So if you search for design jobs at Google, at Nike, at Spotify, you will find dedicated design jobs within their departments. You will appreciate the effort they put in categorizing different fields of design. Now, if you hunt for design jobs near your area, you will find jobs like these. Here they club UI and UX together with a slash. And this slash makes it appear so cognitively that UI and UX are the same fields. Same as in there is little to none difference between them. But reality is far from it. UI and UX are both dedicated different separate fields tackling different problems. I think the confusion is because there is lack of awareness or lack of design education in these companies towards design. That's why they promote such jobs. So in this video, we will clearly understand the difference between UI and UX design. And I really want to make this video a little bit different than what is already available on the internet. So we will try from a non-digital product so that we can completely solidify our concepts there, and then we will move towards a digital product. Okay, so we are now joined by our non-digital friend, my favorite shoe, and we will apply the difference between UI and UX on this shoe. But before that, let me build up some climax here. So Steve Jobs really famously said that design is not just how things look, how things feel. Design is how things work. And this quote really appreciates the depth of design. So let's apply it now on this shoe, which is my favorite, by the way. Okay, so the UI part of this shoe, how this shoe looks and how this shoe makes me feel. The UI part will cover its color, the size of its laces, the spacing between the laces, the placement of the logo, the placement of the sticker, why is it on this side, why is it not here, and stuff like how it makes me feel. Do I feel too casual when I'm wearing it, or do I feel too serious when I'm wearing it? I personally feel semi-casual while I'm wearing it. So this part is covered by the UI. Now the UX part of the shoe, how it works. So it will cover stuff like its grip, how much it can bend, is it suitable for running, for hiking, for jogging, the airflow, how the air flows in and out, how many holes there should be, how many laces should there, is it dust repellent, is it water resistant. So all these functional needs are covered by the UX part. From customer's point of view, they will buy only that stuff which satisfy their needs. We human beings have three types of needs: emotional, social, and functional. Emotional need will be covered by the brand of this shoe. So Converse will be targeting the emotional side of our customers. The remaining two, the social and functional needs, that can be covered by good design. So UI will cover the social needs and UX will cover the functional needs. Now look around your room, try to find any object that you use every day, pause this video and try to break down its UI and UX part. Okay, now let's apply the same concept to digital products. And to do that, we will take help of a design process. So let's first sketch the design process. I will be drawing the double diamond approach here. So this is traditionally how a design process looks like. It has two diamonds. First half is dedicated towards the problem identification phase, and the second diamond or second half is dedicated towards the solution phase of that problem. So designers need to go through all this circle to complete a project. Now this part, the empathy part, where you try to understand user needs, where you try to understand their pains, their dreams, their desires, this is covered by a UX designer. Once you understand their needs, then you need to prioritize what problem you want to solve. And here strategic thinking applies. You need to also consider what is important for business and what are the business goals too. This is also done by UX designers through different types of workshops or different types of design jams and sessions. So in this create stage, the designers create design solutions for the problems that we have defined here. And this is done in multiple stages. So a UX designer can do the wireframing thing or the low fidelity prototyping thing. The high fidelity prototype, this is done by UI designers, and this can be done by UX designers or UI as well. Once you have created your design, you then go test it with the end customers. This can be done by both UX and UI designers. So once you have like tested or validated your concept, then you take your creation to the next level. You further enhance it. That is exclusively done by, again, the UI designer. To start your career, become a T-shaped designer, right? Focus on one thing, UX, become really good at it, and then take flavors of UI, of graphics, of gaming, etc. So if you remember, I made you a promise at the start of this video that you will 100% learn from this video the exact jobs of UX and UI designers. So let's now jump into that. Say a designer has designed a screen. We will now try to understand the role, the jobs, the responsibilities of UX designer on that screen, and same for UI designers. So let's start with UX designers. Broadly speaking, they will be responsible for these 4 things. One is usefulness, whether the design is catering user needs that we discovered in our research part or not. Second is usability. Is the design screen easy to use? Is it easily discoverable? Do the users know where to click? What will happen next? Third is accessibility. UX designers are responsible for making the design inclusive for a broader set of audience. Final thing is enjoyability. UX designers are responsible for increasing engagement of the screen, and they do so by some gamification methods. They either add review systems, star systems, some comparison system, anything that will delight the users to keep them more hooked on that screen. So once all of that has been done, then UI designers take over. They are responsible for creating visual representation of all that has been done by UX designers. They create a visual layout that the end users see. By this, you can clearly identify which path you want to take on. I want to thank our sponsor for this video. Coursera has selected me as their affiliate marketer. So if you want to academically pursue your career in UX design, then Coursera is offering Google UX Design Certificate consisting of 7 courses, and after completing all of them with assignments, you will be able to get a Google UX Design Certificate that you can put on your resume, on your LinkedIn, and it will drastically improve your chance for employment. The review for this course will be up in the card, and if you want to sign up for this course, then please use the link in the description below. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. Please subscribe to my channel xyTalal. Let me know in the comment section what other types of video related to design you want to see. I'll see you in the next video.